In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Brave browser on your computer. We'll walk through the entire process from start to finish so you can start browsing with Brave in just a few minutes. Brave is known for its privacy-focused features and fast performance, and getting it set up is straightforward. First, open whichever web browser you're currently using, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or anything else, and go to brave.com. Type the address directly into the address bar to make sure you're on the official website. Once the page loads, you'll see a prominent Get Brave or Download button. Click that. The site automatically detects your operating system, whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, so you don't have to hunt for the right version. Your download should begin right away. If your browser asks where to save the file, the default downloads folder is perfectly fine. The initial setup file is small, so it should finish quickly. Keep an eye on your browser's downloads area so you know when it's ready. When the download completes, open your downloads folder and double-click the file to run it. On Windows, you may see a user account control prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. This simply allows the installer to add Brave to your computer. On other systems, you may see a similar permission prompt. Approve it to proceed. Now the installation will take over and complete automatically. You don't need to click through a bunch of screens, just let it run. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a minute or two. Avoid closing the installer or putting your computer to sleep until it's done. When installation finishes, Brave will launch on its own. You'll see a quick setup screen with a few optional choices. You can set Brave as your default browser if you want links to open in Brave by default. This is optional, and you can change it later in system settings or within Brave if you prefer to try it out first. You'll also have the option to import your bookmarks, saved passwords, and browsing history from another browser. If that helps you switch smoothly, go ahead and import. If not, you can skip it and keep things clean. When you're ready, click Finish. That's it, you're now ready to start browsing with Brave. Try visiting a site to confirm everything's working and explore the settings later to customize your experience. Enjoy your new browser.